Good morning, Internet. Adam Bate here from B2Net Solutions, doing a quick demo video this morning on managing and adding mail groups within Plesk 9. Now, we touched on mail forwarding within Plesk 10 just a few weeks ago, how to set up an email, send it to multiple people within your organization. This is the exact same idea, except Plesk 9 handles it a little bit differently. So in case you're running an older version of Plesk, we'll go through this tool and this setup right now. So the first thing you're going to want to do is log into your Plesk control panel. In this case, we're running Plesk 9.5. And once you're inside, you'll see if you log in with the right information, once you're inside, you'll see the dashboard. First thing you're going to want to do is click on domains, or first thing you want to do, click on mail accounts. This will bring us right to the mail accounts within our domain. In this case, we're using the coffeebean.ca again. As you can see, I have two email addresses already set up: adam@thecoffeebean.ca and joe@thecoffeebean.ca. Now, pretend that Joe and I are the only two people within our organization, but quite often we want emails, from contact forms or an info address to go to both of us without having, to send that email back and forth. So what you're going to want to do is create a separate mail account. So click on Create Mail Account. Name it whatever you would like. So in this case, we'll call it staff@thecoffeebean.ca. Or you could name it contact or info, but let's name it staff. Enter a password. For this account, you can uncheck mailbox, because what will happen is this email address will forward that email, or each email that it receives, to both Adam and Joe thecoffeebean.ca. So we don't want the emails also to be sitting on the server taking up space and storage. So you can uncheck the mailbox button there and click Finish. It'll probably give us a little warning. Just that will not be, the messages addressed to staff at thecoffeebean.ca will not be delivered, as this mail account does not have a mailbox or mail forwarder switched on. So let's go ahead and switch that on. You'll see Mail Group right here. Click on Mail Group. It's off right now, the red X. What we want to do is add members. So we're setting up a mail group for staff@thecoffeebean.ca. We're going to click on Add New Members. And in this case, we want both of them. We want both Adam and Joe included in all emails that are sent to staff@thecoffeebean.ca. Click OK here. What we're going to do is switch it on, and that's all there is to it. You can see the play button here beside mail group, or the green play button, so we know that the mail group is turned on. Now, if you're looking, say you have a consultant or an outside help that you want to be brought in on an email address, you can add new member. And instead of selecting from the list, where in this case there's no additional ones, you can simply add the email address in here. So say we want, to include contact@mrbeancoffee.com, for example. Now, that's probably not a real website, but then you'll be able to see now contact@mrbeancoffee.com is also part of this mail group. For this case, we'll just remove that in case it is in fact a real domain. And so now if we go back to staff@thecoffeebean.ca, you can see there's no more warning up here anymore. So mail will be delivered properly and forwarded to the two separate accounts. And that's the only difference between Plesk 9 and Plesk 10. Plesk 9, we have the mail group function, whereas in Plesk 10 we had forwarding, and we were just able to enter the emails individually into the forwarding box. That's all there is to it, and that's all there is to this demo video. If you have any questions, feel free to open a support ticket with us, or hit us up on Twitter at twitter.com/b2netsolutions, and we look forward to hearing from you.